Hey guys, it's FTF Productions here, and it's time to smash the flip phone. Yep. And if you're wondering why I got a lot of scratches here and there, well, cracks and dents up there, because I was doing some tests with this earlier, and I will still do your guys' suggestions. So, without further ado, let's get started. First suggestion, wherever it went, Pesky Wolf asked, throw it out your bedroom window or any window. Alright, here we are at the window, and so here's the flip phone. I gotta throw it kind of far. Come on. It went. Let's go and check the damage. It's so dark. That's why we have lights. It went somewhere over here. There it is. There it is. There's a fly on it. Oh. There's a huge scuff on the corner. Other than that, it's how it was. The foxhound said, throw rocks at it. Well, that did something to it, because now when I open it, it cracks, it snaps. And it's really bent and shattered on the top. Next. Did I tell you guys how hot it is outside? It's really hot. I'm sweating, it's so hot. Whatever. Next. Alright, my camera doesn't want to focus, but what it says is slam it against a brick wall or any wall. You got... Hang on a second. Sorry, the video started playing. Anyway, it says slam it against a brick wall or any wall you got, and then slam it with a nice hammer and throw some rocks at it. Yeah. She says everybody's request, but she says slam it against a brick wall. Alright. Well, or any wall. Alright, so I'm gonna go slam it against a wall. One sec. Pretty good. Now, it won't focus, but Waffle Man said smash it with a sledgehammer. I don't have a sledgehammer, but I have a bat, so I'll use that instead. I'm gonna start smashing it first close. Alright, Mr. Flip Phone, any last words? Goodbye, Flip Phone. Goodbye. That's very bizarre. Oh my god. Guys, that completely broke it in half. I think we're gonna do this half first. Save the screen half for later. Ugh. Hang on a second. Perfect. Oh! Hang on, guys. Screw it. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna quickly go get some safety goggles. 1 sec. Let's just smash them all now. Plastic. Stand it up. Perfect. Oh, I think we're done with that half, shall we be? Now we're on to the screen half. Let's do the back first. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, that went pretty far. Guys, I'm trying to stand it up. perfect. Oh, man. Oh my God. Alright guys, I think I'm done smashing it because I don't really want to pick up that much more mess, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, no matter how much crap there is, you always gotta clean them up. Alright, thanks. Bye.